49 Glenwood, the Andover Yacht Club. It's the entrance, possibly the town's only totem pole. Over there, it's got 2 sheds. Total, it's about, I think, 0.7 acres. House, as you can see, a gingerbread house. It's got some age on it. Original camp. I think converted into a house in the 30s. Okay, got 3 bedrooms upstairs, living room, dining room, kitchen down here. Let's take a walk inside. Okay, here's your kitchen. Bathroom, only bathroom with a shower. Small kitchen leading into a little dining nook. Which looks out onto the pond. Into the living room. Which also looks out onto the pond. We've got a screened-in porch over here. Now the idea on this floor potentially would be to open it up as much as possible. Probably have a beam here, supporting beam here, but knock down as much as we can. Knock down these kitchen walls if possible, and try and get as much of an open living space on this ground floor. Tear up the rugs. I think there's hardwood underneath there. Upstairs you have 3 bedrooms. All reasonable size. Okay, the place obviously came furnished, bought with contents. So, there you have it. One more thing, the basement, where the boogeyman lives. This is just a closet here. Presumably this wall could come down here. Maybe even this wall. Not sure about that. Going down to the basement, not finished, potentially could be. This is where we keep the fleet. And out to the pond. It's called Foster's Pond. So this is a channel that comes off the pond down to a dam to the right. And there's a pond, the open pond, the big pond is up to the left. Paddle around that island over there. Dock is in good shape. And as you can see, again, the exterior of the house needs a fair amount of work. And there you have it.